Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. In this video, for some of the chemical compounds, let's learn their common names, chemical names and their chemical formula. And these are very important in the category of general science. Let's start the video. First one, what is the chemical name and formula of limestone? And the answer is calcium carbonate. So the chemical name of limestone is calcium carbonate and the chemical formula is CaCO3. That means, so here the question can be asked in three ways. What is the chemical name of limestone? What is the chemical formula of limestone? Or what is the common name of calcium carbonate? Okay. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of quicklime? Answer is calcium oxide. The chemical name of quicklime is calcium oxide and the chemical formula of quicklime is CaO. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of milk of lime? Answer is calcium hydroxide and the chemical formula of milk of lime is CaOH twice. So, quicklime is calcium oxide, milk of lime is calcium hydroxide. Okay, and this milk of lime is also called as slaked lime. So the chemical name and formula of slaked lime is also calcium hydroxide. Okay, let's move to the next one. What is the chemical name and formula of plaster of Paris? Answer, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate chemical formula is CaSO4 and hemihydrate. Hydrate is H2O. Hemi is the sense half of the water molecule, that is CaSO4 dot half H2O, 1 by 2 H2O. The chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate and the chemical formula is CaSO4 into half H2O. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of gypsum? Answer is calcium sulfate dihydrate. So, for the plaster of Paris, it is hemihydrate, that is half of H2O. For gypsum, it is dihydrate, that means two molecules of water, CaSO4 into 2H2O. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of acetylene? Answer is ethine. The chemical name of acetylene is ethine and the chemical formula is C2H2. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of marsh gas? Answer, methane. The chemical name of marsh gas is methane and the chemical formula of methane is CH4. Okay, next question. What is the chemical name and formula of milk of magnesia? Answer is magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is commonly called as milk of magnesia and the chemical formula of milk of magnesia is MgOH twice. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of rock salt? Rock salt is also called as table salt. Okay, so the chemical name and formula of rock salt or table salt that we use daily in our home is sodium chloride and the chemical formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of quicksilver? Answer is mercury. Mercury is called as quicksilver and the chemical formula of mercury is chemical symbol, that is Hg. Okay, next one. What is the chemical name and formula of water gas? Water gas is the combination or mixture of two elements, that is two compounds, that is carbon monoxide and hydrogen. So the chemical name of water gas is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, that is formula is CO plus H2. Okay. Next one. Chemical name and formula of producer gas. So water gas, it is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. For producer gas, it is carbon monoxide plus nitrogen. And the chemical formula is CO plus N2. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of baking soda or baking powder? Answer is sodium bicarbonate. And the chemical formula is NaHCO3. So sodium bicarbonate is commonly called as baking soda. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of washing soda? Answer is sodium carbonate. And the chemical formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. If you are getting some confusion between if it is sodium bicarbonate or carbonate, simple. Baking soda starts with the letter B, right? So bicarbonate. Okay, it's not carbonate, it's bicarbonate. Maybe you can remember something like that. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of oil of vitriol? Answer is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is called as oil of vitriol. It is also called as king of chemicals. And the chemical formula is H2SO4. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of blue vitriol? Answer is copper sulfate. So copper sulfate chemical formula is like blue vitriol chemical formula is CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Okay, but this blue vitriol on exposure to atmosphere, it becomes anhydrous. That is anhydrous white. It becomes white copper sulfate. So the blue copper sulfate on exposure to atmosphere, it becomes anhydrous copper sulfate. But these 5 molecules of water along with copper sulfate is called as blue vitriol. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of ethylene? Answer is ethene. The chemical name is ethene and the chemical formula is C2H4. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of tear gas? Answer. The chemical name of tear gas is chloropicrin and the chemical formula is CCl3NO2. What is that? CCl3NO2. So how does this tear gas is formed? So chloroform on reaction with nitric acid, chloropicrin will be formed. Chloropicrin is commonly called as tear gas. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of borax? The chemical name of borax is sodium tetraborate and the chemical formula is Na2B4O7.10H2O. Okay, this is also important. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of hypo? Answer is sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate is commonly called as hypo. And the chemical formula of this sodium thiosulfate is Na2S2O3. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of urea? Answer. The chemical name of urea is carbamide. And the chemical formula is CH4N2O. Okay, and the chemical formula may also be like in this form, that is NH2CO NH2. Okay, it can be in 3 forms. So if in the option CH4N2O is not there, then you need not worry. You can search for these patterns, that is NH2CO NH2 or CO NH2 twice or CH4N2O. Okay, next one. What is the chemical name and formula of chloroform? Answer is the chemical name of chloroform is trichloromethane and the chemical formula of this chloroform is CHCl3. Trichloro, that means chlorine's 3 molecules of chlorine Cl3. Methane is methane. What is the chemical formula of methane? We have already discussed it. It is CH4. Okay. And I also explained about tear gas, right? In the tear gas formation, we use mix chloroform with nitric acid. So what is the chemical formula of chloroform? CHCl3. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of bleaching powder? This is very important. Answer is calcium hypochlorite. And the chemical formula is CaOCl2. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of caustic soda? Answer. The chemical name is sodium hydroxide and the chemical formula is NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is commonly called as caustic soda. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of caustic potash? Answer. Potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is commonly called as caustic potash. The chemical formula is KOH. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of dry ice? Carbon dioxide. So solid form of carbon dioxide is called as dry ice. And the chemical formula of this carbon dioxide is CO2. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of Epsom? Answer. Magnesium sulfate. And the chemical formula of Epsom is MgSO4. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of green vitriol? Answer. Ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate is called as green vitriol and the chemical formula is FeSO4. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of heavy water? Answer. Deuterium oxide. Chemical name of heavy water is deuterium oxide and the chemical formula is D2O. Okay, next one. What is the chemical name and formula of vinegar? Answer. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is commonly called as vinegar. Okay. So the chemical formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of Mohr salt? Answer. Ammonium ferrous sulfate. The chemical name of Mohr salt is ammonium ferrous sulfate. And the chemical formula is NH4 twice, FeSO4 twice. Okay. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of laughing gas? Answer. Nitrous oxide. The chemical name of laughing gas is nitrous oxide and the chemical formula is N2O. Next one. What is the chemical name and formula of sugar? So sugar is chemically called as sucrose and the chemical formula of this sugar is C12H22O11. So that's it for this video. Here is a small test for your knowledge and memory power and your understanding of this video. Please comment down the answers for the following questions. What is the chemical formula of tear gas? First question. Second question. What is the chemical name and formula of blue vitriol? And the third question is, what is the chemical formula of ozone? Ozone is not, I have not mentioned about this ozone in my video. If you know the answer, comment down and I'll pin that answer. For more such interesting videos, subscribe to my channel.